Hello, and welcome back to the Mobile Programmation Live Web Design. My name's Matt, and today we'll address the issue of a web design that has to go on mobile, as known as adaptive design. So we'll look up some kind of techniques I've developed over the years to find what is the optimal resolution and what kind of feature you want to display on your mobile devices that you might like hide or something like that. It really depends upon your needs, of course, but we'll try and adapt this design I made in the last episode to our needs. Alright, let's do this. So I'll take a sample of Android interface just to put us in the right resolution and mood. An interesting fact is that you can use these to represent a menu. So what you'd want to do is basically hide the most and the largest and larger information into something that's easier to view as a mobile device. So what I would want to do with this is that like represent a button that you can press to show or hide the main menu. As you can see, I'm trying to make these the largest possible to render them easier to click. That way we make sure every possible options of the menu is accounted for and easy to select. Also, notice how I added the lines thereafter so that people really know which one they're picking. So now I'm simulating the hover or touch effect depending on which device the user is using and what kind of action he intends to do. If he only wants to look at which options are available to him, he can just like touch and not click the actual button, or he could select directly an option. By the way, it's possible that a device could complete some kind of slideshow effect, like in this example. If you know what I mean, the pictures would change depending on the time frame or the clicks from the user. Now what we could do is create a custom made kind of menu like this. So let's just take a quick gray bar right under to make sure the user knows what's going on. That's the main point right there. Now, as you might suspect, we won't be able to do a tab-like design right there. So what I'll try to do instead is a slider kind of thing, like going to put my titles and then decide what kind of navigation I would use. I would rather use probably a bit like for the menu, if you remember. Oh. I'll have to put it a bit higher there. Okay, so just a moment, this is supposed to be on topmost. Alright, so this is what happens when you click on the button. Of course the logo would still be there and search bar, but that's not the point. The point is that you have different links on top of each other, and that's what I want to use. Here you might want to reuse the same kind of navigation you did right there to remind your user that's supposed to be a clickable area. Oh, and by the way, of course, these are a bit too small for the user to click on, so perhaps I'll try to create another type of button or something like that. We'll see. To make sure the navigation is completely explicit, I'm going to put an arrow to show which way the division is currently facing. Either it's in the open state or closed state. You'll see what I mean in a few seconds. This is going to be harder to adapt. Perhaps I'll even hide them, I'm not too sure. Let's try and do without these. Of course, what we could do is try to take the best font, the most visible one, to make sure the small text is still readable afterward. That could be a solution, but I'm not sure if I'll go for that. I'll really try to put in as much information as I can in a small area. So here you're probably noticing that I'm forgetting a lot of elements because they're going to be hidden by the team. Right there, for example, these won't be shown because it's irrelevant to a mobile usage, and this won't be shown as well. Now what I could do for the footer is probably like take the subtitles, or maybe just keep the joiner community and not show these. Yeah, I think I'll go for the social media side of the site. I think that's about right. Of course I could reduce the amount of text, but since this is you know, dumb text, it's not really relevant. But usually you'd optimize the text to be shown in the handheld device. If you can see, like, what kind of text would be shown on a device, it would look like this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. The kind of optimization I could do right now is like remove this text and just keep the read more link. That's the kind of things user will understand and that are more interesting to them than like reading the beginning of an article that's not really useful for them, or they have no interest in it. So this keeps things in nice and simple. Yeah, that could do it. So that would be about it. Of course, as I said before, I could optimize the text there. Probably there would be a bit less, and also um, as with the main design, we could instead of putting the search bar, we could do like a login about career and put the side menu there, or just a login. Depends on your client's need, really. So what do you think about this? If you have any suggestion or commentary, of course I'll be happy to see you on the YouTube channel. It's a mobile programmation YouTube channel, that is, and also you could live chat with me on justin.tv. So this has been really fun. I like to do these kind of adaptive design. I hope you enjoyed it too. My name is Matt, and see you around.